Did you know up to 50% of the people who check blood pressure at home are doing it in a wrong way? Consequently, their blood pressure recordings are false, either falsely elevated or falsely low. In today's video, I'll teach you how to check proper blood pressure recording at home so that it gives you a good indicator as what is exactly your blood pressure. As a practicing cardiologist, I bring science-backed practical tips every week for better health and wellness. So kindly like and subscribe to our channel. So why blood pressure monitoring, accurate blood pressure monitoring is important? Accurate blood pressure monitoring is important because most of the time when the patient comes to our clinic or hospital, they're usually stressed or they're anxious. So consequently, their blood pressure is elevated. When they go back home, their stress and anxiety level comes down and consequently their blood pressure are not that much elevated. So this is known as white coat hypertension. So white coat, usually the doctors wear. By seeing the white coat, the patients get stressed and anxious and their blood pressure gets transiently elevated when they come to a doctor's chamber or a hospital. So if we rely on our clinic reading, blood pressure reading, the clinic blood pressure reading most often are elevated. And if we rely on that reading and start treating the patients, we might over-treat the patients. Patient's blood pressure may not be that elevated, but since he has come to us and he is stressed and anxious, his blood pressure is spuriously elevated, so we tend to give over-treatment. So to prevent that, blood pressure monitoring at home is more important because an accurately monitored blood pressure at home gives a better idea regarding whether the patient is really having high blood pressure or not. So that's why a proper blood pressure monitoring at home is very, very important. So if you do not check blood pressure adequately at home, your blood pressure treatment might be hampered. So that's why in today's video, I'll go through about how to check a proper blood pressure at home so that we get a good, correct reading.